How to get coffee stains out of carpet. When you're devoted to a morning cup of coffee, spills are unavoidable. If your favorite mug of coffee spills on the carpet, it creates an ugly, often sticky stain as a reminder of your coffee mishap. It's better to wipe up a coffee spill on your carpet while it's still wet. However, busy schedules often interfere with this. To release a dried coffee stain, lightly moisten the stain with warm water. Then, starting at the borders of the stain and working inward, dab the area with a dry white towel to prevent from soaking into the surrounding fibers. Wet and blot the area until no more coffee transfers from the carpet to your cloth. You can remove coffee stains from carpeting just as well using household items as you can with pricey commercial treatments. 1 tablespoon of liquid dish detergent, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 2 cups of warm water make an efficient DIY coffee stain remover. In a mixing bowl, combine all of the ingredients and stir. Using a clean cloth, apply your homemade cleanser. Begin blotting at the stain's borders and work your way in. Next, with a clean dry cloth, continue to blot the stain to remove it from the carpet fibers. If the coffee contained cream or sugar, in a new dish, combine 1 scoop of enzyme washing detergent and 1 cup warm water. Apply this cleaning solution to the old coffee stain with a fresh cloth to help break down the stickiness of the cream and sugar. Then, using cold water, rinse the carpet. Blot up as much moisture as you can with a towel before letting the carpet air dry the rest of the way. It's best not to step on the area until it's entirely dry. If the stain remains after the carpet has dried, repeat the procedure, and then sprinkle baking soda on the stain and let it remain while the carpet dries. Simply vacuum up the baking soda after it has dried. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.